Annual renewal updates for an OpenSky account are shown through your account terms and renewal information, so the exact changes depend on the details provided for your specific account. By the end, you'll know what to review before your OpenSky annual renewal, how to check for changes, and what to do if you have questions about your updated account terms. The first thing to review is your renewal notice or updated account information. This is where you can find any changes that apply to your account. Pay attention to account fees, terms, benefits, and any conditions connected to continuing your account. A renewal does not always mean the same thing for every customer. Your account documents are the source for the details that apply to you, so compare the updated information with your current agreement. The second step is checking your current account details. Review the information available through your OpenSky account access and compare it with the renewal information you received. Look for anything that affects how you use the account. If you see a change you do not understand, identify the exact section or term that changed before contacting support. A specific question usually gets a clearer answer than a general request for help. The third step is deciding what action to take. If the updated terms still match your needs, you can continue using the account based on the new information. If something no longer works for your situation, review the choices available under your account agreement. Keep any renewal notices or messages related to the update. Having the original information makes it easier to compare changes and discuss questions with support. The best time to review a renewal is before the update takes effect. Waiting until after the renewal can make it harder to understand when a change happened or why your account details look different. The main points are simple. Check the renewal information, compare it with your current account terms, and contact support when a specific change needs clarification. Your next step is to open your OpenSky account information, find the latest renewal details, and review every section that has changed. If this guide helped you understand what to check before an annual renewal, like the video and subscribe for more practical account guides.